everyone, this is Tim from UHD Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if 4K is not working on your Xbox One. So just go to the home screen here, go to settings, then scroll on down to general TV and display. Then you can see I have 4K UHD right here. I can go to the right, make sure you go to video modes and allow 4K right here and check mark this, otherwise 4K won't be an option. Then also auto low latency mode. Now if it still isn't showing up, you can go to video and fidelity overscan. Go to HDMI if you're using HDMI, and we can just override this and use the manual settings, and then we can just specifically target 4K, but make sure you're changing the right under here, and we can increase it. I'm going to keep this. And each time you change something, you're going to have to change it under here too. So let's go to video mode, allow 4K now, and it's going to go black. And we can close. It says 4K won't work. Your TV is telling us it won't happen. So you can try this out or not, see if it works for you. Looks like the highest option I have without it is 1440p. I can keep it right here. At least it won't look really bad. So it says my TV doesn't support K, which obviously is not correct. So let's try this again. See if this works now. So you can try using the manual settings and see if it works. Otherwise, I'm just going to go to the auto detect. Now sometimes you might have maybe the refresh rate is too high and it doesn't go up with that refresh rate. But this is kind of cool. We can go up to 120 Hertz refresh rate at 1440p. So that might be an option you want. So I'm just going to go to auto detect once again and then back out. Make sure your 4K is marked under here. So it actually shows up as an option now. And now my TV supports it for some reason. So you can try this out yourself. See if it works for the manual settings. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on UHD Studios.